Joe, what do you think of your hair transplant?
It's terrific. I mean, I don't know what else, what can I say? I mean, it was not something that I didn't think would turn out like this.
And how has it? Today we're going to present Joe. He's 50 years old and presents with a Norwood 6 pattern which was transplanted through a FUT or strip transplant, 3,000 grafts 1 year ago. And this was to the anterior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp. You can see the pre-op pictures with the area of hair loss. This is Joe immediately post-op. You can see the area that was transplanted, and this is, as I indicated, the anterior 1/2 of the scalp or so. He also, I might add, had a previous transplant which is plugs, and if you look carefully at the anterior hairline, you can see the plugs, and we will see them in a moment. Joe now presents 1 year later with a terrific result. You can see the high density of the hairline. You can also see the plugs. If you look carefully, you can look at you see the plugs from the previous transplant. The plugs from the previous transplant are now hidden, and you can see the hairline. It is high density and very natural. And you can see the result here. Truly a fabulous result. Joe, what do you think of your hair transplant?
It's terrific. I mean, I don't know what else, what can I say? I mean, it was not something that I didn't think would turn out like this.
And how has that changed things for you?
Oh, obviously your confidence is through the roof. You're not worried about, you know, especially if there was a hair piece, you don't worry about the hair piece falling off or trying to make it look natural, and that was just natural.
Because you had a hair piece prior to this.
Yeah. So.
And what about social life? What do your friends think? What do your
They
family?
They never, I mean, because there was always a hair piece, I mean,
I see, yeah.
there was never really anything that they noticed. I mean, I noticed the difference because now it's just natural.
And for those of people out there looking to do a hair transplant, what do you tell them?
I think the result speaks for itself. You'd be crazy not to do it. The results speak for themselves.
You wish you had done it earlier?
Absolutely.